made Isfahan's handicrafts so popular around the world.
Now, something that really impressed Arthur Pope when he was visiting Isfahan is this. It's called Minotti, and we're going to find out more about it.
Minotti, or enamel work, is basically the art of ornamenting the surface of a metal by fusing brilliant colors over it. The paintings or patterns are traditional designs depending on the tastes and preferences of the artist. Gold has been used traditionally, but these days silver and copper are more common. Minotti is all about precision, but the process is not too complicated. First, a metal object made of copper, silver, or brass is covered with a white glaze and heated at 750 degrees Celsius to create the base. Now here's where the craftsman's creativity comes in. When he's done, the enamel plates are sent back to the furnace.
Isfahan is nicknamed the land of turquoise domes. However, after coming to this small shop in the middle of the